Boom, boom, boom. E te iwi, we are 6 weeks out from the biggest kaupapa on the calendar for 2026, e hoa ma. Might I add, this is the Taranaki anniversary weekend as well. So we have Kapa Haka, then you can have a little bit of a rest on the Sunday. How about that? Ko te kaupapa nei, ko te Whakataetae Aroe o Te Kāhui Maunga Inc ki Whaitara hei te rātua ono me te tua utu o mai he e te iwi, and joining me right now, ko te mangai o Te Kāhui Maunga Incorporated Society, and none other than our tuahine here to bring some of the information that you're looking forward to hearing about how you can get tickets, when you can get tickets, where you can get tickets from, where you're going to park. E hoa ma, she is here to dispel any kōrero, any myths out there, and joining me here in the studio this afternoon, e hoa ma, is none other than Tamzyn Rose Pue. Tēnā koe e te tuahine.
Tēnā koe e te tūngani e tāro. Tēnā koe, tēnā tātou.
Me, absolutely amazing, and congratulations to you and your team. Koutou rā e manaki i ngā tātou o te nota o Taranaki. Me, so how are you, first and foremost?
Tēnā koe, me ngā mai o te tau au Pākehā kia koe tūngani. Yeah, ora pai ana hau. Pai tonu ana. Feeling good. How are you? Do you have a good holiday?
I could do with another 2 weeks if I'm being truly honest. I'm sure many of our viewers out there are feeling rather the same. But we've got a massive kaupapa ahead of us, and we're going to try and get through as much of this kōrero as we can. Whānau mā, we've got 13 groups fighting for 4 spots in Whaitara this March, all happening at the Bears grounds. E hoa mā, ki te whai tapu wai, nō rongo, ki Whaitara, e te iwi. Tamzyn. Right, we've got 13 groups, 4 are going through. We've had the draw. Talk to us about some of the rōpū that are taking the stage this year.
Interesting facts for everybody. Kua wātoro atu te ngākau tangata ki ngā wanaunga o Taumarunui. So we're seeing one of our wānau teams coming in from Taumarunui for this competition, which is fantastic. As always, we've always had the strong support of our Pākehā teams, our kaumātua, our Pākehā. And so in terms of the draw, we've got 1 to 13. Taranaki ki te tonga will open up our day, and they are our Pākehā no Taranaki Mātongatonga. And then we have our Te Taikura o Te Awa Tupu o Wanganui, Manamotu Aki Kaumātua ki Raitei. So this is also a new kapa coming in from Raitei no Te Awa Tupua. So thank you to our wānau who are coming in from Raitei as well. Ngā Pake ki o Rātana will be our 4th team. Our 5th team, Te Kapa Aka o Ngā Rua Hinerangi. So e mihi atu ana ki ngā wanaunga o Ngā Rua Hinerangi who are putting in a team as well for the first time. So as you can see, we've got some new teams coming through this year. And then our 6th kapa of the day will be Te Ai o Tanga o Aukura, Rōpū Kapa Aka o Ngā Motu. No Ngā Motu tēnei o Ngā Kapa. They entered into the Te Kāhui Maunga Regionals in Te Hāwera for the first time. So this is the 2nd regional competition. We also have our wanaunga no Te Maungaroa. Te Maungaroa will be our 7th team. So mi'i atu ana ki rātou. Kuru tomo mai ki tēnei Whakataetae Aroe nei. And then we have our reigning champion team at number 8, Te Reanga Mōreu o Rātana. Kua roa nei a Te Reanga Mōreu o Rātana waka kano i te roe o Te Kāhui Maunga ki te matatini. And then we're moving into one of our Wanganui teams, no Te Awa Tupua, ara ko Te Kuranui o Pairangi. Now they entered into the competition for the first time in Te Hāwera as well, and we're successful in gaining a position, a qualifying position to go on to perform at Te Kāhui Maunga or at Te Matatini o Te Kāhui Maunga for the first time. So they are entered into the competition as well. And number 10, we've got Te Rōpū o Te Pau o Tamaina. Tēnei o ngā kapa no Taumarunui. So e Rōpū hou tēnei, e mihi atu ana ki rātou ngā wanaunga o Taumarunui. And then we have at number 11, Tutu Kaika. Kua roa nei a Tutu Kaika i manaki nei te kaupapa o tēnei Whakataetae Aroe. And then we have another one of our kapa from Taranaki nei no Taranaki Mātongatonga, ara ko ngā Waiotanga. They were also successful in qualifying for the Te Mātakitaki o Te Kāhui Maunga and performed for the first time at Te Mātakitaki here in Taranaki at the start of last year. So ngā waiotanga, and then wrapping up the day are our host team, ngā purupuru o Te Taiaroa. So those are our 13 Kapa Taiaroa, which means with 13 teams entering into the competition, that will qualify 4 teams to represent our Rohe at Te Mātakitaki Katu, Kiroto, Waikato, Tainui.
Amazing to see our 4 represented teams at last year's Mātakitaki back in the draw for this year. Some real cool highlights for me is that ropu from Taumarunui, and of course if we reflect back to the recent secondaries regionals, we had Taumarunui featured there as well. So I'm really happy to see that ropu from that way has come in and joined in, and I wish them a long future with Te Kāhui Maunga, and that they are represented at every regionals from here on in. And of course, some of our other ropu that we aren't seeing on here right now, I think of the likes of Aotea Utanganui, and I think of the likes of Te Matapi I don't also see in there as well. So, you know, there's been a real change up in the caliber of our ropu, and to see this new fruit coming through, this is great for Te Ao Haka, and it's just ever expanding and ever growing. And I just want to mihi out to all of the 13 teams taking the stage this coming Taranaki anniversary, and wish you all the best in your practices. No doubt it's all fine-tuning from here on in, and no doubt you're all vying for a spot in that top 4. So congratulations once again to all teams participating in this year's Te Kāhui Maunga Regionals. Sis, mean you as the host, you would no doubt be inundated with questions and kōrero and all these things to actually host a massive competition like this. What are some of the key messaging around people getting to Whaitara? Where is it being held?
Well, thank you, Tingane. And I just want to also tautoko your kōrero around Te Matapi'i and Aotea Utanganui, e wakatāna i nei o ngā kapa mō tēnei whakataetae, but hopefully we see them return stronger than ever. Ahakoa ngā kapa, well, those 2 teams will be taking a rest this time. Some of the members, however, have gone into other kapa as well to, you know, tautoko e manaki other kapa. So kāre kore ka kite I e te o rātou ki ringa I ngā tāmira o te motu, depending on which region they're going to perform in. So, but I just love that you acknowledge them as long-standing teams who have continued to uphold the mana of our rohe. So e mihi atu ana ki a koe tāro. In terms of this competition, it is, if I put it this way for context for everybody, Kapa Haka is evolving. The level of Kapa Haka and the pursuit of excellence is evolving, and we need to evolve and move with it. We were very lucky to have Te Mātakitaki here in Taranaki last year, at the start of last year. And so because of that level and taumata of Te Ao Aka, we want to ensure that our regionals are also, well, obviously not to that magnitude, but still at a high level, which is why ngā purupura, well, it is actually our turn to host. We have never hosted the regionals before in Whaitara. We did collaborate with other kapa to host our regionals that was held in Ngāmotu back in 2014 at the TSB Showplace, but it wasn't our event as such. This is the first time that we will be having it in Whaitara. And to be fair, with the help of Te Mātakitaki and one of their kaupapa is Mana Motu Aki Te Kāinga, as the overarching kaupapa to help regions to develop haka in our rohe. And so with that support from Te Mātakitaki to allow our iwi, you know, our mana whenua, to have regionals, for instance, in our small town of Whaitara, we wouldn't have been able to if we didn't have that support from Te Mātakitaki. So e mihi atu ana ki rātou. That said, it will be held at the Clifton League Park up at Whaitara, which is the home of the Whaitara Bears. I attended one of their board meetings last year to tono to ask them, could we please have the fields to host this Kapa Haka event? And they were like, really? You want to have your Kapa Haka here? I was like, yeah, we want to have it here. And the reason being is because it is the home of the purupura. We train here in Whaitara, and particularly here in Whaitara Rawiti. And so that's where the field is, which is directly across the road from Whaitara High School. in between. It's on Princess Street. Ko te nui ngā koutou e mōhio ana ki ua tēnei wāi. So Whaitara High is there. Across the road is the Te Waitapu Wainorongo that Taiaroa mentioned earlier. And that street is called Princess Street. The fields there is the Whaitara Clifton League Grounds, which you'll hear a lot about because that's where this event will take place. In terms of car parking, the Whaitara High School e mihi atu ana ki te tumuaki, Daryl Warburton, he's amazing. He's been helping us and has offered us some support there. So he's allowing our people to park over at Whaitara High School on the field at the Kura, which, that is fantastic. And so the entrance to get into the Whaitara High School field is on Richmond Street e Te Iwi, which is just up the road from Owai Whaitara Marae entrance. So if you just carry on around the corner from Owai heading up to Whaitara High, you'll see a fence leading traffic. Our cousin Benny Tika and his crew will be guiding you all there and looking after all of our wānau. So you won't need to worry. Just come to Whaitara and they'll guide you and look after you into the car parking at Richmond Street. Now, there will be a road closure from the Whaitara High School Hall to the Whaitara High School Gym on Princess Street, which will allow our wānau to come straight out of the car park, walk across the street without any concerns or worries. For you, our park, our elders, our tamariki mokopuna, it will be all safe because the road is going to be closed, and I can confirm that went out for public consultation. No one moaned about it, so we've got the green light and the thumbs up to have that road closed on that day, which is fantastic. So we are looking to have some of our kai carts there and kai trucks, just as it was at Taranaki Mai. It worked well, so we're looking at doing that there in that space as well. So yeah, feel free to walk across the road at your own leisure, paiana. Yeah, I suppose I should rewind the clock back to Friday, the 6th of March, the day before the competition, because that's when the pōuri will happen, Taiaroa, on the Friday 6th, starting at 10 a.m. Again, it is up at the Whaitara League Grounds, Clifton Park. Parking will be the same for those of our wānau who want to come, but there should be heaps adequate parking. Now, FYI, the road will not be closed on Friday the 6th of March because school will be happening as well at Whaitara High. So actually, no, the car parking will be around the area parameters of the field. For the pōuri, mostly just the Kapa come anyway, or representatives from the Kapa. I'm not saying you're not welcome, you're all welcome. If you want to come to the pōuri, haere mai, no mai, haere mai. But for 24 years doing this stuff, I know that mostly just Kapa come and their representatives. It's an opportunity for those who are holding the current taonga to bring those back as well, and to bring mostly our, and most importantly, our mate, and all of our iwi, etc., on to Whaitara as the whenua that we will be having the event. So that's 10 a.m. Friday, 6th of March.
Awesome. So we've got 2 days of pretty much Kapa Haka. It's really the start of the Kapa Haka when the Ropu who show up with their trophies that they got last year, the year before, sorry, they come back and they sing a few songs and everyone's like, oh yeah, they got a nice sound. O kawa ka tika ka mihi atu ki ngā mate, and there have been many ka tika ka mihi hoki ki ngā taonga, without our taonga and without our wanaunga and wānau. Over the years, donating these trophies, we wouldn't have any before. The other thing is, whānau, is if there are any missing trophies, or if you've got trophies, or if you know where a trophy was, or if you won a trophy in the past and it hasn't been returned in a long time, please, please bring that home so somebody can win it again. But tēnā koe me ena wakamāramatanga mo te pōwhiri, katu ai ki Clifton Park, hei te tua ono o mai he, hei te tikau karaka I te ata. Now, this has been a bit of a hard one, especially for our organising committee. I must admit, these are all volunteers. Nobody's getting paid for their time. And there are plenty of things like road closures. We know what it takes to close a road. It has to go up for public consultation, for goodness sake. Whānau. So there's a lot going on. One other thing that you would be excited to know about is probably about the stage and what's required around that. Sis, tell us about the stage and what we can expect to see come the 6th and 7th.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, thank you. That was awesome, your little overview of that. The stage, we are getting it custom built for the purposes of this competition. Like I was saying, the evolution of Haka means the evolution of our thinking, of what can possibly be, and we are going to make this happen. So we have called out to our wānau in Kirikiriroa, the Excite crew actually, and they'll be coming in around March 3rd, 4th to start building this custom-made stage that will be placed on the Whaitara League grounds. I know, it's actually crazy that we even put the tono in for this, but the fact that it's happening, I couldn't be any more happy. So they're coming in, they're going to build a stage, building up the cover as well. The we're having our own little ma'o, etc. It will be covered just in case of weather, we never know. And then, so that stage is being built. It's a 20 by 20 stage approximately in terms of parameters. All tutors know about this, so they're working to those, the size of the stage, etc. at their wānanga. And then just ki mo mai koutou, the whole event will be fenced off. So it's not a matter of, you just cruise past and beep, and there's teams. It will be completely fenced off. Some of you may recall the event that was held at Rawhana, where they had the stage built, custom made in front of the Temepara Tapu. Well, it's similar to that, and that was epic. We had it on the corner there at Rawhana, and beautiful. So it's a similar vibe. So that was fenced off as well because it is a ticketed event. And so, that will be completely fenced off. The stage is being erected. We've got a judges podium being built. We've got a kaumatua marquee being put up for our pāke. And we've got Māori TV coming in to do the live stream. So we've got camera towers, etc., being built by our local scaffolders as well. We've got Primo Wireless, who are a local company who are supporting the event as well. And we've got the fence dudes as well that are coming in. We've got so many people involved in this, and I mentioned them earlier, leading traffic with Benny Tika and them, his crew. We've got Matua Brendan Ray on our HSC. So, we've got all the wānau, the uncles, the cousins, aunties, everyone that we know has expertise in particular areas to worry about particular lanes. And I think that's why it's been such a successful couple of months, few months pulling this all together. And then, of course, we've got the Te Kāhui Maunga committee who are overseeing the entirety of this event, and then the putapura on the ground running it. So pretty happy. Oh, sorry.
No.
I should mention one of the Whaitara beers as well. They have been incredibly supportive of this. And without them, we wouldn't have been able to have the live stream there at the event because they opened up the league rooms for us to have the live draw at their league club rooms. We also just yesterday had the massive recce site visit with all of the people I just mentioned and our boss Tipene as well here in Whaitara, and the Bears also gave us the leg rooms to have that hui there. And then we've got the North Taranaki Sport and Rec Centre, Whai Tapua Norongo, and they've been incredibly supportive, as well as Kali Moehu and his tari for Puketapu, which is based there. So everyone's working together to bring this together. The Whaitara night markets with Tiri and Matapaipai Ma. And we've got a lot going on in this. Something I did mention to you about was the Sustainable Taranaki crew.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so this whole event is being run by my sister Kayla, actually. She's the event manager who has been appointed by Te Kāhui Maunga to run this event. She's just doing this voluntarily, which I think is crazy, but that's her. Heart of gold, do anything for kaupapa driven, ya kaua Taiaroa. So she's running this event. She's engaged with the New Plymouth District Council many times for kōrero. That's how we got the road closure. And then she's also engaged Sustainable Taranaki. So they'll be taking care of the recycling and te mea. There will be lots of signs, and we'll be posting up over the coming weeks because we've only got 5.5 weeks remaining. So we'll be posting up just some maps and some visuals so you can see where everything will be placed. She's also got us the water truck. The water truck will be available all day, so you can stay hydrated. Bring your reusable drink bottles as well. She's got the St. John's ambulance on site as well. And she's also got a registered nurse who will be there to manaki our wānau throughout the duration of the event. And Tui Ora, who will be there to do some health checks for our whole wānau. What else have we got? Hey, a big mihi to the Whaitara Taiohi Trust. Now, you'll love this title. Those dudes, Jared, mihi a te ana kia koe, Jared. Jared is setting up this cool as kaupapa for our tamariki, the kids zone. And he's doing it over at Whaitara High School. Yeah, they've got a little playground, a little papatakaro over there. So he's setting that up. And I want to acknowledge you, Jared, for your aroha nui, your ngākau nui. Just lots of volunteers, lots of whānau who are just wanting to make this a special day, one to remember. And so that's pretty much where we're at in terms of those kaupapa.
There were a couple of things that you mentioned, and specifically the Whaitara night markets. Now, understand there is a expression of interest out there right now for people outside of our rohe or people within our rohe, actually, from wherever you are around the maunga. If you're wanting to hold a store during the 2 days, it is 2 days pretty much, of the Te Kāhui Maunga regionals, how can people do that?
Thank you. Yes, if you would like to put in an expression of interest for your store, please head along to the Te Kāhui Maunga Facebook page or the Te Korimako Taranaki Pānui page, because there is a link up on there, on the Facebook pages. And just reach out to them. There is a cutoff for that as well. So if you could reach out ASAP, let them know that you want to have a store. Could be anything, could be merch, could be, I don't know, piccalilli, chutney, like whatever. Muffins, banana bread, whatever you may have. Gluten-free is very welcome. We've got a lot of gluten-free people in our team. So, if you've got anything, organic, could be veggies, not to hokoto mara. You might be fundraising for your koangareo, your kura kaupapa, your sports teams, whatever the case may be. Please reach out and put in an expression of interest. Honestly, we welcome all stores, whatever you got and whatever you would like to put in, that will be beautiful. And this is reaching out to the Kāhui Maunga wānui tonu, not just those who live in Whaitara. So wātoru wātuana te ngākau tangata ki ngā storeholders katoa o te roe nei. Yeah, haere mai, we welcome you all.
Beautiful. That's good. And if you haven't been to the Whaitara night markets as well, make sure that you do go, because I'll tell you what, you got to go early, because all those people who live in Whaitara, they buy everything before it even starts. So you got to get there early, fam. And I can tell you right now, there are going to be some bonfire bless kai stores, merch stores that are going to be at the regionals come the Taranaki anniversary weekend. Looking forward to it. Now, if you cannot make it, then of course we have the broadcast live on Whakataetae Māori. All of the regionals throughout Aotearoa and Ahitereiria will be broadcast, and some are simultaneous on both Whakataetae Māori and Te Reo. So you just got to be mindful which regionals you really want to watch, which groups you want to watch, and flick between the channels. But I don't think we have that problem this year for Te Kāhui Maunga. Atu i tira, if you can come ātina nā mai, when do tickets go live and how can people get their hands on them?
Beautiful. Fantastic question. I wakakapiaki tātou wa kōrero, because this is probably the most important part that you wanted to know as well. Tickets are available here to wānau from Monday, the 26th of January at 12 p.m. The tickets will go live on Event Finder. And I know you might be, oh, damn, we have to order them online. Yes, you do, because we need to monitor the amount of tickets that we are selling, please. So, there's that reason. Also, it just helps to gauge. So please head along to eventfinder.co.nz. We'll post up these links onto, there it is. Thank you. Thank you, Brother Taiaroa. There's the eventfinder.co.nz link, website link there, to Paihono. So, wātoro atu o koutou ringa ki taua Paihono. And tickets are only $5 each. Just rimatara noi oi. And I was doing the math on that, brother. And that's like 39 cents per performance. 39 whole cents. You can't even get anything for 39 cents anymore in this world. But that's what it is. It's 39. Tori te kaumā iwa hineti te utu mo ia kapa, mo ia performance, mo ia wakaturanga. Like, what up with that? That is super cheap. Tamariki mokopuna under 5, kore utu, free as. So just rimatara noi o ki te taiatina nā tuki tēnei kaupapa. Grab yourselves a feed, come on in, bring, your little picnic blankets spread out. And because it's going to be Matatini styles, but you won't have an obstructed view at our regionals. You have all the view. Be able to sit back, relax, you'll see it all. And everybody will be all right there being able to watch and enjoy without anything in your way. That's cool, eh? There'll be cool. Also a big screen. Big screen right by the stage.
they're catering to everybody because a lot of people at the Mātakitaki don't have to watch from the screen. So, fortunately, as you can see there as well, whānau, due to cap on the amount of people that we can host, there won't be any gate sales. So he momo akiaki kia koutou for all of your kaumātua, for all of your tamariki, please help your kaumātua to get their tickets. Now, I know they've got kaumātua groups and all these things out there who will normally do this for our pakeke and pāke. But yeah, if you've got old people within our homes and everything like that, please get them a ticket as well. Like the Sis Tamzyn has said, it's only dead 9 cents per ropu. So a very, very small cost, which of course goes to bringing this event to life and making sure that we can come and celebrate Kapa Haka and continue to embrace Kapa Haka throughout Te Kāhui Maunga. So, atu i tērā, Tuahine, are there any other things that you think are important? What's the weather like for the anniversary weekend?
I'm not sure. We are catering to all whatever come what may. So I'm not sure. We hope that we bring the sunshine, but I like overcast personally for outdoor performances. This is the second time ever Taiaroa was speaking about second regionals outdoors. First time in Whaitara. So we're just going to make it a beautiful day. Come rain, hail, shine, whatever the case may be. And we're looking forward to having everybody here in Whaitara for that special time. And if you have any other pātai, just you can leave a message for Taiaroa in the stream and he can get back to you with whatever else that you might want to know. Atu I tēnei, te wane mihi atu ana ki a koe Taiaroa. Thank you so much for this opportunity just to put out some comms. First time that I'm speaking on this for publicly. So I'm really honoured that it's with you and with our taonga, Te Kori Mako Taranaki. So, e mihi atu ana ki a koe te ngani.
Tēnā koe o tira. Tēnā koutou katoa e mātaki ana ki tēnei pāpā o tanga. Me te tō tātou nei tuahine, te mangai mō Te Kāhui Maunga Society Incorporated. Hei te rā tua ono me te tua utu o mai he tātou. Ka piri ana I raro I te hamarara o te Kapa Haka e hoa mā, where 4 teams will represent us at the national competition, which has been held at Hopu Hopu. Absolutely excited, one step at a time. Taranaki anniversary, it is absolutely on. E te tuahine, tēnā koe te whaiwahi ka mātou.
Ngā me inui.